Hello guys, I'm Zachary Chege. I'm glad you are there, you are listening to me. And actually today I have interesting stories to share with you about business. And I hope you're going to enjoy a lot as I introduce this topic today. And I want to mention a few things here. I want to make myself as much clear as possible. This guy right here, this guy, this guy right here, this guy, this guy right here is my friend, and you cannot see me. Now, there are three major reasons why businesses fail, and one big reason is lack of money, lack of knowledge, and lack of support. Those are the three main reasons that you find business are not quite performing well. Now, by mastering the basics of business success, just leave, you are disturbing. By mastering the basics of business success, you'll gain the knowledge necessary to acquire the support and money you need for your business. And it's actually very simple. I will first mention few things you need to recognize for a better business. So the first thing you need to do for your business, it's quite easy. It's quite easy. That is marketing. So your ability to determine and sell the right product to the right customers at the right time. And this one is a bit complicating, but let us let me show you the right way to perform this. And before you establish a product you're going to sell either online or, let's say, offline, the best thing to do is to find the people you're going to sell your product. Who are they? You have to ask yourself, who are they? And then go ahead and do market research concerning these people. Like, they really want your product, so you need to do market research, gather information, what they really need, what they need. And after gathering bit about your product, who are these people? Are they working class? I hope you understand the concept. And then you gather that information to support your product, and just try to see where it falls in the graph. You see, is it expensive, and at the same time, is it selling much? Is it Does it have many customers, and at the same time it's expensive? That's the main goal of a good product. Is it having many customers and it's cheap? Is it having less customers and at the same time it's cheap? Those are the basic things you ask yourself as to achieve a better business, a better product. And also there are hopes and goals. What are you expecting? What are the goals of your product? Are they achieving some goals for your clients? Are they really are they really solving some problems to the society? Another question you ask yourself. And the other thing is pain and fears, yeah, and obstacles that might come along with this product. Before you begin this business, there are obstacles. There are your competitors who are doing the same business. There are big challenges in your side, and you must also know the solution to overcome these obstacles. You will never run a good business without having a way of overcoming these obstacles. Okay, so you need to have that strategic plan to achieve marketing plan. And the other key important is finance, your ability to acquire the money you need, so and account for the money you receive. That's another key thing. And you also need to do a lot of research on marketing and finance. Then there is production, your ability to produce products and services at a higher enough level of quality and consistency over time. So that's another key thing you need there. And also there is distribution, your ability to get your product you know on time to your clients. Those are the few things you need to recognize as you are running your business. Now, as I continue, I would like to mention a lot of things regarding distribution, but you have also to realize that distribution It's your ability, it's up your ability, timely and economic fashion of your place. And also you have to develop a research and your ability to continually innovate and produce new products, services, processes, and responses to your competitors. And also, another key thing is regulation, your ability to deal with requirements of government, registration, and all levels. That is a key thing. And the last one, and very important, is labor, your ability to find the people you need, deal with unions, establish personnel policies, training in organizational development. And from my list, I have mentioned that the key things you need for a better business. And don't be the lovers of labor. Don't perform things up to your passion. There's something you performed while you are lean attachment, or something you really, maybe you are there to gain some experience, and that's why you develop such skills at that moment and that duration of time. And those are the few skills I have acquired, and currently I'm going to use them, and I will use them so as to to boost my business. And I believe they are really helpful. And actually, the key thing here is to do more research on internet, and this will be helpful to you guys. No, I'm wishing you one amazing time, and I'm glad. And I say again, you can see me, you can see me, and I'm on the other side, and I believe you are enjoying your time there. I'm wishing you an amazing time wherever you are, and please don't leave this video without giving it a like, and hit the bell button there below, so as I will continue guiding you to have a better business mahali pote huko, na kutakia wakati mwema. I believe we can grow together by building better business. So bye bye. I'm wishing you one amazing time wherever you are.